I'm here at my favourite section of Elwood, and there's no one around. Well, there wasn't anyone around until now, but just taking some photos. I'm not sure what this is, whether it's a pier or... no, it's not a pier, it's a... I'm not sure what this is. I think it's actually a massive drain, which probably lets out a whole heap of shit, but... and I can see some sort of... yeah. Oh, that's nice. There's an empty shopping trolley down there. So obviously this is some sort of outlet. A shopping outlet. People are actually in the water. I mean, it must be like minus 10 degrees.